Hi, my name is Eunice Baguma Ball. I'm a director at ATBN. My lecture is going to be about catalytic capital and its role in African digital innovation ecosystems. So at ATBN, a lot of our work centers around the role of technology in sustainable development in Africa. We do a lot of research around how innovation ecosystems are developing across the continent. And in this particular piece of research that I'll be drawing on for this lecture, we had the opportunity to speak with digital innovation hub leaders in 4 African countries, so Uganda, Tanzania, Ghana, and Nigeria, about their role within the ecosystems. And we found some really interesting findings about the work that digital innovation hub leaders are doing, but also the challenges that they face. And one of the things that surfaced really was something I'm calling the missing piece, really, the need for capital that really backs the growth of innovation ecosystems in a sustainable way that has a longer term view, because a lot of what's happening now is really sort of focused on short term gains. So if that is sparked your interest, if you're interested in something around systems change, around innovation, around its role in sustainable development, and how local actors like local innovation hubs and digital actors can be better supported to promote innovation for sustainable development, then you definitely want to tune in to my lecture. And I look forward to sharing my knowledge, but also hearing from you and your context and learning from you as well. So hope to see you there.